Once the trailer is complete, we can export our deliverables by going to the File pull-down menu and selecting Exports. Choose the load or loads we wish to include in the export. Choose the export type. We can do a bill of lading, or what's really unique to SDS2 Load Planning is a 2D load map. We can also export to Tekla EPM or other MRP software to update those. Once I choose my export type, I can hit export and specify the location and a name for my file. Once the export is completed and I open the PDF, I can see a page for each dunnage layer to give me information on how to load the loadables. If there's additional information required, a section mark will be indicated and section views will be included. On the last page of the load map, you will find a page that indicates the center of gravity and shows the distribution of the weight at each axle to ensure that we have a balanced load. If we wish to export a 3D file, we can export the IFC model to show the model and include loads information in the model, or we can export the individual trailers as well. Once the file is exported and opened in an IFC viewer such as Allplan BIM Plus or Celebri, or any other of your choosing, we can interact with the model, choose loadables on the trailer, and view their properties within the IFC file to gain information such as piece mark, what load they're on, etc. You're now ready to pass along the load map, the bill of lading, and any IFC files to the loaders in the shop.